What if your gut bacteria were influencing your mood, anxiety, and even risk of depression? This isn't science fiction. It's a growing area of research known as the gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system linking the gut and the brain. The key players? The vagus nerve, immune system, endocrine signaling, and microbial metabolites. The vagus nerve acts as a direct highway between the gut and the brain. Certain bacteria, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus, stimulate vagus nerve activity, reducing stress and anxiety by modulating gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, production. Did you know that over 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut? Serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, all crucial for mood regulation, are influenced by gut microbiota. Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus species help synthesize serotonin from tryptophan, impacting mood stability. Gut dysbiosis, an imbalance of bacteria, can trigger chronic inflammation by increasing pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6, TNF-A, and IL-1B. These cytokines disrupt the blood-brain barrier, allowing inflammation to spread to the brain, a phenomenon linked to depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. In contrast, short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate produced by beneficial bacteria such as Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, support anti-inflammatory pathways and enhance the integrity of the blood-brain barrier. Research has shown that individuals with major depressive disorder, MDD, and generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, often have reduced microbial diversity, particularly lower levels of firmicutes and bacteroidetes. So, how can we support a healthy gut-brain axis? Probiotics. Supplementing with lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains has been shown to reduce cortisol and improve stress resilience. Prebiotics. Fiber-rich foods like oats, onions, and garlic nourish beneficial bacteria. Fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT, an emerging therapy with promising results for neuropsychiatric disorders. Dietary adjustments. Avoiding ultra-processed foods and excessive antibiotics helps maintain microbial balance. So could your mental health be shaped by your gut microbiome? The evidence is compelling. Subscribe now and explore our full content on Science for Fun Academy. Remember, this lecture is for educational purposes only and does not constitute a medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making health-related decisions.